Hi, I'm Woody. I've been working down in the prep lab for the last 14, 15 years, cleaning up and putting together dinosaur fossils. And all these fossils we've been putting together are the ones we brought back ourselves. Right now, what I'm working on here is a hip bone or the ilium of a T-Rex. The big sucker is actually this bone right here. And I'm about 2/3 of the way through, and then once I get done with it, we'll find another fossil for me to work on. We have a variety of tools. We've got little picks and X-Acto knives and stuff like that, and then our main tool is this air scribe. Turn it on, and it cleans off the dirt, pops it right off the fossil. And it doesn't really harm the fossil. And then we use, when we put them together, we use special super glues, like this one right here is called Jurassic Gel, made by the Paleobond company. And we use a 2-part epoxy putty and stuff here to fill in the cracks and holes. This is what I was doing right now, is molding, putting this stuff together. I got this big hole right here I'm working on, trying to get it together. These are real fossils that we have brought back from Montana. Once a year we go out to northeastern Montana and we prospect for dinosaur fossils, and when we find them we dig them up, dig around them, put a field jacket on it like this to protect them, and we go out to the area we call the Badlands of Montana. In order to find fossils, we have to be in an area that's very heavily eroded. So it's the process of erosion that uncovers fossils. So what we do is we walk around out there in these eroded areas and stuff and look for fossils laying on the ground. Once we find them, that gives us a clue that there's probably fossils and bones sticking out of the dirt. So that's the next thing we do. We look for fossils sticking out of the dirt. Then we start digging. If we just dig randomly, we'd never find anything. And over here is a part of a Triceratops frill. That would be the shield that goes around its head that Rick's been working on for about 2 or 3 years. And then this frill right here is actually upside down. So if we turn it around, the top would be up here. And actually this frill right here goes with these 2 horns. Right here. So it's part of the same Triceratops. It'll actually fit right behind it. This is a juvenile. It's a juvenile Triceratops. That Triceratops that you have over there, way over there, is actually the scale. And if you go over there and look at it, you'll see it's much, much bigger. They've only found one dinosaur in Missouri, and of course that's a state dinosaur. But they've only found one, and they found it back in 1940, a hadrosaur. It's actually, and it's only probably one of the only footprints we've actually found in Montana. Footprint from a hadrosaur. It's one of these, footprint of this thing. And we get a lot of visitors and we talk to a lot of people, and the first question they always ask is, are these fossils real? That's the first question we always get. They're real. We have right here, it's interesting, these signs that says the great big words, please touch. And they always walk up and tell the kids, you can't touch this now. It says don't touch. And then we have to remind them, it says, please touch. This is Woody, I'm signing off. Hope everybody enjoyed this. Come on down to the prep lab on a Thursday and we'll chat with you.